Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hassan Khurram, and in this channel I teach small business owner, real estate agents how they can actually market their business online through the help of effective digital marketing tools like social media marketing, social advertising, and search engine optimization. So for today's video, I'm come to you with a very specific problem issue that we have in terms of search engine optimizations. So in order to rank your website on search engines, the Google will also see what kind of domains are actually referring to your websites. Now some of these websites might be good, which will ultimately contribute better to your search engine optimization efforts, but some of the sites would be spammy, they will be marked as spam sites in Google search results. So if you have any backlinks from that site or toward that referring back to your domain, then ultimately it will impact badly to your search engine optimization efforts, and it will degrade your website performance in terms of SEO. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually get rid of that problem by the use of this tool, which is known as Disavow Links to your site. This is actually a Google search engine tool. And I'm going to show you how you can actually identify which domains are spammy domains are referring back to your websites, how you can identify them, and ultimately you use the Google Search Console tool, which is called Disavow, to actually mitigate the impact of those spammy websites. That being said, so the tool that I'm going to use is called SEMrush. It's a free tool. You will have to make an account in it. Once you make an account in it, you will go towards this link building options or tool. Once you go there, you will have the option to analyze your website. It will analyze your websites, makes an audit report, and once it's done with the audit report, it will send you an email something like this. Now in the email you can see that there are total 22 domains that are referring to my website, and out of 22 domains, 2 are toxic domains. That means they are spammy domains. I definitely should disavow them, and there are 3 domains that are potentially spammy, so I will also need to get rid of those domain as well. So what I actually do, I will go to SEMrush, and you will see this is the layout you will be able to see when you have this backlink audit report. Now you will see here the spammy websites. Let me go through this column to you step by step. So on the first column we have our spammy links, and on the second column, which is of our interest, is called AS, which is known as domain authority, like how authoritative the domain is, and the very next to it is called TS, which is toxicity score, which is of our interest. Now you can see that 2 of the domains has a toxicity score of somewhere around 71 and 63, which is quite high, so I definitely need to get rid of those websites. So, and there are some other potential websites, so I will also go through those websites and get rid of them. Okay, so how you are going to do that? So that's a question. Now you have identified what kind of domains you need to disavow. The next thing you are going to use this tool. So basically what it does, that it takes a list. You can see this option like upload disavow list. So basically it takes a text list in which you will write down those spammy links or spammy web pages that ultimately points out to your website, and also the spammy domain as well. But there is a specific way in how you can actually write that text. So in order to do that, first of all, let's go and create a text file. So we will say as links, something like that. Okay, once we done that, let's open it up. Now let's head back towards Search Console, and this is like a detailed guide from Google that you can actually look and refer to. I will put down the link in my description, so you can actually go and watch that video as well. So this is the format that you have to follow in order to disavow links and domains. So if you are disavow links, you just specifically just paste those links in this format, line by line. So every line would indicate a new link that you want to disavow. And if you want to disavow a domain level, then you have to write in this notation. You will write domain, then you will write colon, then you will write CDS, for example, whatever the domain you want to disavow. So this is the format that we are going to use. So let me just copy paste that, and I will just edit on it later on. So this is the thing. So what I will actually do, I will start updating this list one by one, and also the domain as well. So heading back towards our SEMrush, where is, here it is. Okay, so this is the thing. So we have like here 5 links, and we have also their domain as well. So what I'm going to do here, if you can see on this icon, which is a copy icon, I'm simply going to copy it. Once I copy that, I will head back to my text file and I will paste on top of it. Okay, so that being done, let me go back towards my SEMrush audit report and copy the next link. Now in order to copy the additional links, I will simply put enter and just copy the remaining links as well. Now I will do the same thing for all. So I have done like copy pasting the spammy links that are referring back to my site in this format. So you can see that with every line I have a new link that was referring to my website. And in the same way, I will also do it for the domain. So since you know that we have like 5 links with 5 different domains, so just let me copy paste it one by one and update it later on. So remember, always remember that in order to have a domain disavow, you have to define it in this format: domain column and the domain name, and then enter the new value. So I will just copy paste here like jobsapp.info, and bestseodomains.com, which actually don't really contribute to my domain topic at all. Okay, so, or my client domain topic. So I guess yeah, so this one is a different one. Let me just copy paste it, and last one this. Okay, so guys, this is how you actually edit a text file that will ultimately help you get rid of those spammy domains. First you will list down all those spammy links that refer back to your website, and then you will list down all the domains that you want to disavow in this format. Once you've done that, just save this file. Okay, now let me just copy this thing. Now let's head back to Google Search Console. Okay, here it asks you to upload the disavow list, so we are going to upload the list that we have just edited earlier. So I will click on update disavow list, and once we've done that, I will go towards the directory where the file is present, and I will click on it. So it will take some time. So okay, now this is like a way to do it. So for example, I have already like 5 domains and 5 URLs. So this is how something like you do it. Okay, so it's kind of indication that you have done it correctly, and it's a good means that we are good to go. So I hope this tutorial have been helpful. So this is how you disavow a list to do it. So for example, like you have 5 domains, and so this is how you actually disavow those spammy links that are referring back to your website. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. If you have any question regarding search engine optimization or even the digital marketing tools and skills, feel free to write down your comments. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you for joining me, and I will catch you soon in the next video.